You thought I was gone? Sawtech Pros, we're back at another video. 305-561-5726. For any electronic repairs, make sure to contact us. iPhone 11 here. Customers requesting a front glass replacement as well as a iPhone XR. I don't understand why people try to do things on their own. But hey man, I get it. If you want to learn, I can show you the blueprint without having to mess up your phone. Look, I get it. Go on YouTube. You think you're going to get it all within a video, but this takes time.
Voila,